Welcome dear learners to my YouTube channel Learn with Shivi. I am Shivi Gupta and today we are going to understand the topic Subject-Verb Agreement. But before that, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Shivi. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Subject-Verb Agreement. Subject-Verb Agreement refers to the special way in which a subject and a verb work together to make a sentence with a correct structure. That means the subject must agree with the verb. It is very important to understand the rules of subject-verb agreement. Otherwise, one might get confused. So, let's have a look at the rules. Rule number 1. When the subject is singular, the verb must be singular as well. For example, Rahul is sleeping. In this example, our subject Rahul is a singular noun. Hence, the verb used with it is singular as well. Similarly, in the second example, I eat an apple, our subject is a singular pronoun. Hence, the verb used is singular accordingly. Rule number 2. When the subject is plural, a plural verb is used along with it. For example, they were talking. We are preparing for the test. In both the sentences, our subjects they and we are plural pronouns. Hence, the verb used with them is plural as well. That is were and are. Rule number 3. The verb must also agree with the person of the subject. For example, we sing loudly. In this sentence, our subject is in first person. Hence, the verb used is sing. Similarly, in the next example, she has a car. Our subject is in third person. Hence, the verb used is has. Rule number 4. A collective noun can take a singular or plural verb according to the sense of the sentence. When we talk about a group consisting of separate individuals, we use a plural verb. For example, the jury have different opinions. In this sentence, our subject, the jury, is used as a group consisting of separate individuals. Hence, the verb used with it is plural in form. Similarly, in the next example, the family are doing different jobs around the house today. Here, each individual member of the family is doing something different. Therefore, the verb used over here is plural. But when we talk about the group as a single unit, we use a singular verb. For example, the jury has elected its president. In this sentence, our subject, the jury, is a collective noun representing the group of judges as a single unit. Hence, the verb used with it is singular as well. Let's have a look at another example. An average family consists of 4 people. In this sentence, the subject is used as a singular unit. Hence, the verb used is singular as well. Rule number 5. Words such as any, either, everyone, each, no one, none, neither, someone, somebody are treated as singular. Hence, the verb used is singular as well. For example, neither of them has spoken the truth. Each one of us is going to dance. Someone was knocking at the door. In these sentences, neither, each, someone is treated as singular. Hence, the verb used is singular as well. Rule number 6. Use a plural verb with 2 or more subjects when they are connected by and. Example, Sneha and Vanu are best friends. Sneha and Vanu together make a plural subject. Hence, the verb used is plural as well. You and I have been called to the principal's office. Over here, the subject is plural, hence the verb is plural as well. Rule 7. When a subject has two or more singular nouns or pronouns and is connected by or nor, the subject is considered as singular. For example, neither Ravi nor Rakesh is available. A coat or sweater is essential in this weather. Here, the subjects have singular nouns. Hence, the verb used is singular. However, when the subject has both a singular and a plural noun pronoun connected by or nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject that is closest to it. For example, either my aunt or her children are arriving tonight. Here, the subject has a singular noun and then a plural noun. Hence, the verb used is according to the closest noun, which is plural. Similarly, in the second example, neither the fox nor the spoon goes on that shelf. The verb is used in accordance to the closest subject, which is the spoon. Rule number 8. Search for a true subject and don't get misled by any phrase that comes between the subject and the verb. For example, Sahil along with his friends is arriving tomorrow. Over here, we do not have to get disturbed by the presence of the phrase along with. We have to concentrate on the true subject, which is Sahil, and then use the verb accordingly. Similarly, in the second example, listening as well as speaking is very important. Over here also, the verb is in accordance to the true subject only. Rule number 9. Nouns such as civics, mathematics, dollars, measles, and news require singular verbs. For example, mathematics is not everybody's cup of tea. The news is flashing on the screen. Rule number 10. When talking about an amount of money, the subject requires a singular verb. But when referring to the coins, notes, or dollars themselves, a plural verb is required. For example, $5 is a lot of money. Here $5 represent a whole amount. Hence, a singular verb is used. In the next example, 5 silver coins were found in the ground. We are referring to the number of coins over here. That is why we have used a plural verb. I hope today's topic was very clear to you. But if you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Shivi. And we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe.